Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to join Guild in Archero 2. Joining a guild in Archero 2 is simple, but there are a few things to keep in mind. You'll find a guild option just above the start button on your main screen. If it isn't available or visible, don't worry, you'll unlock it after clearing a few early chapters, usually before chapter 10. Once it's available, tap the guild button and you'll see several ways to join. You can apply to join a guild, create your own, or simply tap auto join to instantly enter any open guild. If you already have a guild in mind, type its name in the search bar, and if it's open, you can join right away. Some guilds require approval, so you might need to wait for acceptance. After joining, make sure to check your guild's activities, such as contributions, missions, or events, since they often grant great rewards and help you grow faster. And that's it, you're officially part of a guild, ready to connect with other players and enjoy all the cooperative fun in Arc Hero 2. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.